Want to save time and grow your Spotify the smart way? Here's how to use automation to boost your streams without breaking Spotify's rules. First up, automate your pitching. Use tools like Submithub or Google to reach out to playlist curators. You can build a system to track who you have pitched to, when, and whether they have responded, saving hours every week. Next, use a Google Sheet plus Notion combo or even platforms like Airtable to track all your release data, playlists you have landed on, or how your streams are trending, and which songs are performing best. Set reminders to reshare tracks or follow up with curators automatically. You can also set up email sequences for fans using tools like MailerLite or ConvertKit. Drop exclusive content, early releases, and direct Spotify links to keep them engaged and clicking. Lastly, use Spotify for Artists to monitor your data daily. Some artists automate reports using APIs or tools like Soundcharts to get a quick overview without logging in every time. Automation doesn't replace hard work, but it makes it faster and more focused. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe, and let me know what tutorial you want next.